Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today we'll be going through the new report recently released as a product known as the Custom Summary Report. What this enables you to do is be able to customize your own unique report in QuickBooks Online, giving you more flexibility than ever. Without further ado, let's see this feature in action. So we want to click on Reports and you'll find the Custom Summary Report in the Business Overview section. You can star that to put it in your favorite section. So let's click on that report, and you see here by default it's showing us an income statement report. Now you can customize by the X and Y axis as mentioned. You see here you can customize by customers, suppliers, employees, products and services, income statement, balance sheet, and balance sheet summary. So naturally in the column section you can do it by a whole range of different periods, including days all the way up to years, as well as the other options we mentioned earlier, the custom suppliers, etc. You can also do a comparison against another period. If you're looking to filter to a certain, say, distribution account or supplier or customer, naturally you can do that in the customization section by clicking on filter. There you go. So what we want to do is, I'm going to do a report to be able to determine where my expenses came from for my suppliers against my customers. So in the rows column, I'm going to check my suppliers, and then in the column section, I'm going to check customers. I won't do a comparison for this report, and I'll do it on an accrual basis. And let's run this report. Now you see here, voila, you can see here with Admin Co, there's a total of $1,500, and it's $500 against these 3 customers. Naturally, this is sort of a sample company, so I do only have a little bit of data in there, but naturally there'd be a lot more data in there if you selected a bigger period, or if you had a file that had a few more months or years of data in it. So naturally, you can customize it in a number of ways. You can comparison against another period. You can do an income statement against, say, your products and services, etc. But in general, that is the feature. Feel free to play around with it, customize it, see what you can get out of it. As always, if you have any feedback, leave it down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.